You watching Top 5 Best Mechanical Gaming Keyboards. Number 5. Razer Black Widow Chroma V2. Razer Mechanical Switches. 1000 Hz Ultra Polling. 16.8 million customizable color options. Ergonomic wrist rest. Ensure long hours of comfortable gaming. Designed specifically for gaming. 10-key anti-ghosting, execute up to 10 commands at the same time. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Corsair K70 RGB LED Backlit. Corsair's fastest mechanical keyboard, ever. Keyboard cable type, braided. 100% anti-ghosting and full key rollover on USB/100% Cherry MX speed gaming key switches with ultra-fast 1.2mm actuation and light 45G force. Aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame for superior durability/advanced lighting control, and large font keycaps deliver dynamic, vibrant backlighting. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. CM Storm Quickfire TK. Mechanical Blue Cherry MX switches with a lifespan of over 50 million key presses. Compact and ergonomic layout with an integrated numpad section. Fully backlit with blue LEDs, 3 modes, and 5 brightness levels. NKRO through USB for unlimited simultaneous keystrokes. Embedded blue steel backplate for maximum stability and durability. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Philco Magis Touch 2 NKR. Tactile feel, ergonomic click action, brown switch. Cherry MX switches, steel mounted in a rock-solid body with full N-key rollover function. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. DOS Keyboard 4 Tactile MX. Cherry MX mechanical key switches with gold contact, dedicated media control with oversized volume knob. System requirements: PC, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, or Mac. 1 USB 1.1, 2.0, or 3.0 port, no driver required. WO port USB 3.0 Super Speed Hub, up to 5 GB/s, 10x the speed of USB 2.0. Instant sleep button to save energy. Laser etched key inscriptions, bumps on F and J keys, home keys. Please check the description for details and update price.